Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture is very easy, informative, and important. Today I will tell you the types of sentences. Okay, let's start. What is a sentence basically? A unit of words that gives complete sense. It does have a subject and predicate. It always starts with a capital letter and ends on full stop, interrogation mark, or exclamation mark. Okay, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words. Yes, sentence is a group of words. Okay, and sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, on full stop, or sign of exclamation, sign of interrogation. All right, so this is the definition of sentence. Now I will explain you the types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences: assertive, affirmative, declarative, statement sentences. Okay, so in this lecture we will discuss only 4 types. A sentence in which we give some information. It starts with capital letter and ends on full stop. All right. Okay. Negative sentence. Negative sentence, as its name shows, or it indicates that a sentence in which negates some information. In a sentence in which we negate some information, words like not, no, never can be used in such type of sentence. In negative sentences, I'm talking about the negative sentences. In negative sentences, we use not, never, no, etc. Okay. Next one is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are, a sentence in which we ask something. It starts with a capital letter, okay, and ends on sign of interrogation mark. What is the sign of interrogation mark? Let me show you. This is the sign of interrogation. Okay, in such sentences we ask questions. Okay, next one is imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, a sentence in which we order, request, advise, forbid, and command someone. Okay, order, request, advise, or command someone. It starts with capital letter, okay, and ends with full stop, on the full stop. Okay, G. Next one is exclamatory sentences. A sentence in which we express our feelings of happiness, sorrow, and wonder. It starts with capital letter and ends on the sign of exclamation. Sign of exclamation is, let me show you this one. Okay. So now we will do the exercise. Art is another subject in which I am particularly interested. So this is assertive. Okay. Next one is, what a beautiful painting. What a beautiful painting. You can see at the end of the sentence, you can see the sign of exclamation. So this is exclamatory sentence. Okay, you can see this sign. Teach him to learn. This is imperative. Okay, how would I know? You can see this sign, this mark. Okay, this is the interrogation mark, sign of interrogation. So this is interrogative sentence. All right, she did not make a false statement. So not is in this sentence. As you can see, not indicates the negativity, negative. So this is the negative sentence. All right, so what you have learned today, you have learned what is a sentence and types of sentences: assertive, exclamatory, imperative, interrogative, negative. Okay, so I hope you will like this lecture. Thank you so much for watching.